So here's my bird feeder. It's on the side of the house, gets great sunlight. It's so easy to put up. There's a solid metal bracket that you screw into the wall, and then the bird feeder itself just slides onto it. The hummingbird feeder is detachable, so you just pop it up, take this off. It's got 3 points, and then you just lift the hummingbird feeder off so you can clean it out and replace it. And actually the back feeder just lifts off as well at this point here, but you don't want to do it when it's full of seeds, which I accidentally did, and spilled the seeds everywhere. But the camera sits nicely inside. It was basically plug and play. I had to charge the camera. It comes with a charging cable. So I charged the camera before putting it out, and from that point on the sun does the charging. It's really nice. Hopefully I can get some video of birds feeding from it, because as of now the birds haven't discovered it, even though I've got a number of trees around and you can hear a number of birds, but I am waiting for them to discover this feeder, and then I'll record. Very nice feeder. So from the app, you've got quite a few options. You've got a drive away button right here, and when you press that, it sets off an alarm to scare off squirrels or whatever you want. Here is your record button. It shows you recording. And you have in settings, you have an option, alert settings, bird recognition, squirrel recognition. You can get bird and squirrel recognition for 1 year free, and the manufacturer will make it free forever in their next app update. The cloud storage is free for 30 days, but you can choose to use your SD card for storage instead, and that will not affect the bird and squirrel recognition. What else is there? Notifications, enhanced alert, push notifications. You put your push notifications on. You've got interval times. This is if you want to be notified on your phone that a bird is at the feeder. SD card, I've got an SD card in mine. Where are we? It's not showing. There we go. I've got an SD card in so I can record and save them. And other is to set your date and time, send device log, transfer device, network settings, etc. and restart the camera. So you've got a lot of options with the app besides besides just recording. And you've got the HD, FHD and HD option as well.